The Harley Davidson Dyna Switchback has substantiated itself with riders for a couple of years. Its fundamental highlights are genuinely clear as indicated in its name. A burst discharge windscreen and shaving coordinated saddlebags let you effortlessly switch back from cruiser tour to clean snazzy custom and the other way around. 2 bicycles in one. So when you hit the street, get some basic supplies or voyage the lane dressed repair. This convertible element has showed up on before Dyna models and the present eponymous CBO Sawtail display, which is among Harley's top-of-the-line bicycles. However, with expanded enthusiasm for visiting Harleys with work and saddle saps, it was just common that a visiting prepared Dyna be included. Low to the ground easy cruise. The Harley Davidson Dyna Switchback not just offers a low to the ground simple journey ride, yet goes from visiting to cruising in however a couple of moments. You can select to utilize the windshield for insurance from the components on longer rides, or expel it for a free and strip look ride. The Switchback's windscreen is extreme. Made of tough, scratch-safe, blow-up-proof material. It will deal with your taking care of and in addition the components when in progress. The contemporary watch captivates everyone with chrome headlamp and smaller than usual primate holder handlebars. Its full bumpers add to the Switchback model's exceptional, exemplary contemporary profile and keep the mud off amid your long visits. Harley Davidson Dyna Switchback. Other favorite features: air-cooled twin-cam 103TM motor with dark powder-covered heads and barrels conveys grim actuating torque. You'll value the power when passing, climbing slopes, or visiting stacked with baggage.